Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all surviving, or hope you're doing great. All right, if you had a good weekend, then great. In this video, we'll talk about Cardano. All right, we'll talk about Cardano in the light of this crash we saw. In general, the last time I covered Cardano, I think it was last week somewhere, and I expected a little bit more support at like 38 cents, but we did already say that it was most likely we would drop down back into the support level between 35 and 33 cents, as you can see, which is a pretty strong support level here on the higher time frames. But what happened, and I will go into depth a little bit more in this video about what at least I think what happened, and it's a load of things. All right, right now what's going on is basically a perfect storm and a bearish storm. All right, you have a lot of things going on. I mean, if you think about the Japanese yen, the interest rates going higher, and then all those Japanese investors have to sell their investments, their assets, to pay back in yens because they don't want to carry the interest rates. Then we're also talking about the Middle East and the tensions there and the potential escalation that we're seeing between Israel and the Iran-backed coalition. And then we're talking about just in general the recession fears in the US. There's a lot of things that's influencing the market. That's why we fell down so much. And that's why I also still do think that at this point of time, even though some coins like Cardano potentially as well have found some sort of a bottom, I don't think we'll turn bullish here, all right? But we'll talk about that. So let's talk about that. First of all, I mean, we'll zoom into Cardano right now, but obviously I do want to stress that if you really want to predict some sort of a bottom, you need to keep an eye on the markets, all right? So you need to keep an eye on Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin has formed some sort of a local bottom here. If we look at Cardano, I mean, if you go to the weekly time frame, so you really zoom out, we are at a very, very important support level right here. We can drop down a little bit lower. I kind of expect us to drop down a bit lower because the real strong support level is right here between 24 and 25 cents. The thing is that there's also, as you can see historically as well, the support level we're holding right now is between 30 and 29.5 cents. And you have a couple of things there. First of all, 30 cents is a big psychological support level. Which helps. The level itself is a strong technical support level, and you have a very strong weekly trend line there. All right, so for now, assuming that Bitcoin has found some sort of a local bottom, I expect this level between 29.5 and 30 cents to hold for Cardano. Now, when we hold that, I don't think there's enough strength, at least not under the current circumstances, to break back above the key level we lost between 35 and 33 cents. So I do expect some sort of a bounce here. I don't expect a bullish breakout. So unfortunately, I think we will consolidate it here. And I don't really expect August to be bullish for crypto. All right. So, and that's why I'm telling you, I think you should be prepared for another move down into that 25 cent level. And that's, I think, the first level where I would consider buying. Right. That's such a strong psychological and technical level. I'm not sure whether Cardano is the best coin to pick or to buy if we actually do see another leg down. But if you are a Cardano holder, if you want to DCA, I would say short term, maybe the current levels are good enough for some sort of a bounce, but I would sell them off. And then longer term, 25 cents is an excellent buy area. All right. But for now, like I said, I think this level is strong enough to provide some short-term consolidation. I don't think it's strong enough in combination with the fundamentals to facilitate a bullish reclaim / breakout. So that's why this move, depending a little bit on the markets, is what I expect on the longer time frame. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.